Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring you're in Ward 13 or nearest checkpoint with World Traversal unlocked. Find the vendor node and confirm inventory space. Once done, accept the specific side quest that hints at a relic. This triggers map markers. Make sure to carry a light weapon and braking tool, because you'll need to force open fragile object states. Move toward the eastern streets, using your scope to spot glints. Mark suspected breakable windows and loose floorboards before you interact. You head into the Collapse Museum wing, hugging walls and scanning with your scope for any reflective shards that resemble glass. Once you find a glint on a shelf or behind debris, clear nearby minor enemies. Engagements can knock items out of reach. Carefully interact with the environment. Break specific pots, pry open cabinets, or use explosives at low power to avoid destroying the remnant. After prying the piece loose, pick up the Magnifying fragment. It will register in your inventory as a unique component. Now bring the Magnifying fragment to a workbench or crafting altar and combine it with the required components. Follow the on-screen prompt to craft the Magnifying glass remnant. Once crafted, save at a nearby checkpoint so you won't lose progress. If the item doesn't appear, make sure you fully cleared and interacted with each breakable in the target room. Reload the area or fast travel away and back. Then revisit suspected shards. Sometimes despawn issues require a reload to reset the pickup spawn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.